Okay, this is Ina. Nhớ trong này thì cái tin đang chạy đơn là nó nhớ Ina đó. Cú kia này tổ khó á. Cú bao giờ tới rồi này chỉ多了天，但是嘛年有年后on style 呢，cú看cú好 style 的呢。你睇你去图啊，哦，Ina tổ khó liền的是讲你和campaign 呢。Okay, I'm just going to teach you how to make papaya salad. Papaya salad is very good for a warm weather like this. And when I travel to Laos, every day I eat papaya salad. I eat papaya salad with noodle, with pad thai, pad ew, and also with the barbecue, and with the sticky rice, and the more spicy, the better. Okay, so I'm going to do two. One is non-spicy, one is spicy, and see which one you like. First, 你睇到这个弄蛋啊，给你抓，which你也高呢。I don't like to use this thing, but I love to use knife because when you chop like this, it tastes better. Okay. 高把你煮桌子，你去炒我的那那一天他嘛，那去做做高铁，那做高嘛，那做，我做了几个东南绿大的啊，但是你做嘛，you make sure the knife very thin. Look how thin my knife, okay, very thin, and then you cut, you right into straight line like this. You don't do this, do that. Okay, don't do this, do that. 做嘛做人家的呢，做人家不管一天嘛去做高的天啊，结果偏到你那点，你做高呢，给你做个人家呢，给你做的那是 OK 的呢，做的那是 OK 了。一天嘛，那么路地都弄了坡，给了嘛你叫了做。你他做你的，你周末好我support你了，给你做起到能够的。哎，你看那个，你我都知道弄做你那个 ，you can do like this too. If the papaya is too heavy, see? Yeah, you can do this too. Or you can do this. 我们要搞你搞什么？估计做那呢？但是要你做的呢？做你那个工孬，就好点做嘛那个 ，sorry 呢，用到烧很给日嘛，等很大的，等很多的呢，给日嘛是烧的着。Some people they are very good with knife. When you chopping like this, then you have to slide. Okay, you put your finger like this and you slide very thin. You slide very thin like this. But if you don't know how to, you scared, and you don't want to do, simple. You can go ahead using this. Okay, you see. That's easier, right? But see the papaya. And you don't want your papaya long, then you just go ahead, do half like this. And then doing this. Okay. Now you can go ahead using this one. This is different, right? That's why you don't want to using this to help chop the papaya. Trong này nó nè, cái này nó chắc ăn à, nhưng nó có mà nia chủ nó cho có ấy có đừng trong này nó nè, right here. This is better, okay? So, but it still look good. Okay, now, chickpea. nè khi cái tay no mà nhá tay no nhá tay chín gì nè chín gì cái cũng có tay chín gì cho first cái little bit okay no spicy at all okay no spicy and I'm going to put some little and this is a palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use the regular sugar. Maybe about two tablespoons. It depends. It depends how much you put, and the shrimp paste just about this much. Okay. And you put some little here to under here. Now you can, if you want to, you can use little carrot just for color. Some people they like to make their papaya, you know, little colorful like this. See, you don't need much. You just need little bit to make the papaya look good. Okay. And now you're going to do with the tomato. If you make papaya, the more tomato, the better. And remember, my knife is very, very sharp. So you're going to use some here, take one, and then you're going to use you squeeze with this, more juice coming out, and you're using the skin too. Okay, don't use much because this one is already sour, so you kind of. Okay, and then we're going to using some MSG. When you make papaya, there's no MSG, that'll be no good. I use about 1 teaspoon. And then I use the sauce that we made the other day, about this much. And then I using, I know everything here is not Janet's favorite, but just wait and see. And then I'm using some, what is this? That's a fish sauce too, crab sauce. And then I use some, if you like peanut, you can use peanut. Okay, now see,นี่ตัวก็มานี่จะก็มาจะจุ่มหล่องเจียนนะนี่ทักก้านะ look when you make papaya your papaya has to be sticky like this so it tastes better, creamy and juicy, you know. And if cold, if the weather is cold, you eat don't taste good, but when you eat when the weather is hot, then it tastes very good. So now I make this spicy. This is Nina's spicy. Nè, cho nó cũng to, chỉ cũng to liền chỉ đó. And I put some right here. Chỉ cũng có ít khó là cà phê rồi nè. Cà phê thì cũng to một nó. Nè cà phê nè, ní cho ní chỉ tao chơi tao có nè chỉ riêng cho của nó. and กะปินี่ตัวต่อลูกติดกันจ่อเดี๋ยวนี้ตัวชิมูละเดี๋ยวนี้จ่อแป้งหน่อยรอ if you cannot chop then you put MSG because it will make the pepper break easy. Now all these tomatoes are organic. Đây có té lò đó cho tomato nó nè. Đây cho nó cũng lên là cũng tao chế đó cho mê nó nè. Cho chỉ được mê nó. This tastes better than the big one. Okay. 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 Now, because I'm going to put more papaya, and then I put more sugar. Okay, ít điểm nè. Okay. Cho lên nó. Chị mắc khảm đó, cho mắc khảm nó mà nó cũng tước thìa đó, mà muốn cho được hộ vấn đề đó. Chị cho nó cho cũng qua cho họ tiền. Ôi cô hay nè, cô chỉ nhà trong nông tàu cho ấy có cho lột sao ấy có mà nè. Chị cho nó chị cũng cho cho chỉ tao nông tàu chị cũng and fish sauce. Idiot and a half. Idiot 1 teaspoon. Maybe this one will hold in 3 tablespoons. All right. It depends how much you using the papaya too. So you always figure out. Okay. Giờ đi tuần đầu chỉ đi tròn đầu đi tuần chơi chỉ đi tròn chơi. Ít tiền năng mà lấy cho papaya one day là mà cho tròn được rồi nè, cũng nhiều nữa chứ. Tại chỉ ít tiền năng là chỉ lấy nhiều cho đi nó nè. Thì I'm going to make here. Yeah, should be good. And you can put peanut after if you already have the peanut, blended like this. Because some people they like it to put, some people they don't like it. Some people they don't like the peanut to blend, they just need the whole one and then just spread when it's done like that. Okay, ní tụi có mà ní chụp có cho có lùm lầu đi nó mà ní cho có thịt cá nè, hồi như ní của em ní cho có rang thái nó chỉ ní cho có thịt cá đó. So that's all you make, okay? This non-spicy at all. These are very spicy, and not as very spicy, just medium spicy. If you eat very spicy, high spicy, this one will have like half of chili. You can see a lot of chili around here. Nhớ trong đó, cho nó cho anh chị cho nó cho chị nè, cho chị nó cá chắp lại đi, cho chị nó mà đi trong nó. And remember, thổi đi tổ con nè, mà cái chọn juice nó nè, nếu chủ cream nè, see that? Đi cho có mà cho có mà nếu chủ creaming đi đâu mà thế đi á, hay dân chia chỉ cá nè. Okay, the juice have to be creamy like this for the papaya to taste right. Okay, and well, thank you very much for enjoying my video, and see you next video.